In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect a hosting your domain with your Wix website, step by step in the easiest way possible. This is perfect if you bought your domain from Hostinger, but built your website on Wix, and now want everything properly connected so your site goes live on your custom domain. We'll go through the full process inside Wix, and I'll explain what to expect so you don't get stuck or confused along the way. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, then log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your website, domains, and settings. Make sure you're logged into the Wix account that owns the website you want to connect your domain to. From the Wix dashboard home screen, look for the option that says Connect Domain. This is usually visible right on the main dashboard, especially if you haven't connected a custom domain yet. Go ahead and click on Connect Domain. Wix will now guide you through the process of adding an external domain to your site. Next, you'll see a field where you need to enter your domain name. This is where you paste the domain you purchased from Hostinger. Make sure you type or paste the domain correctly, without any extra spaces. For example, just enter yourdomain.com and not HTTPS or www, unless Wix specifically asks for it. Once you've entered your Hostinger domain, double-check it for spelling errors because even a small typo can cause connection issues later. After pasting the domain, click on the button that says Let's Go. Wix will now begin setting things up and will prompt you with instructions for connecting your domain. At this point, Wix may ask you to confirm that the domain belongs to you and explain that you'll need to update DNS settings on the Hostinger side. This is completely normal. Wix uses DNS records to point your domain to their servers so your website loads correctly. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Wix carefully. In most cases, Wix will give you specific name server or DNS record values that need to be added inside your Hostinger account. Open a new tab, log into your Hostinger dashboard, and navigate to the Domain section. Select your domain and go to DNS or name server settings, depending on what Wix instructed you to change. Copy the values exactly as shown in Wix and paste them into Hostinger. Save the changes once you're done. After saving your DNS settings in Hostinger, go back to Wix and continue the setup process. Keep in mind that domain connections are not instant. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours for the domain to fully propagate and start working correctly. During this time, your website may load intermittently or not at all, and that's completely normal. Once the connection is complete, Wix will confirm that your domain is successfully connected, and your website will be live on your Hostinger domain. That's it. You've now successfully connected your Hostinger domain with your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.